If your Facebook comments aren't showing on posts, don't panic. I'm gonna show you a full step-by-step guide to fix it, so let's get started. First of all, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and if you see an update button, tap on it. Next, try closing Facebook completely. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe the Facebook app off the screen. Then, reopen it and check again. Now, let's check post settings. Open the Facebook app and go to the post where comments aren't showing. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right of the post, and here, you might see an option like who can comment on this post. Make sure it's not restricted. If that doesn't work, try logging out and logging back in. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Logout. After that, sign back in and check the comments again. Next, let's clear the Facebook app cache. Go to your device's settings, then tap on General followed by iPhone Storage. Here, find Facebook and tap on it. Then tap on Offload App. After that, reinstall the app from the App Store and check again. Also, check your internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can prevent comments from loading properly. Try switching networks or restarting your Wi-Fi. Finally, sometimes Facebook has temporary glitches. You can wait a little while or check the Facebook Help Center for any updates about server issues. And that's all. Try all these steps and your Facebook comments should start showing up again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.